So, hello guys. Yesterday I have posted the video about Fibonacci, and as I understood, you liked that video. Hope this video were useful for you. And now I'm gonna try to teach you how to draw the diagonals, the trend lines, and horizontal lines in a right way to calculate stop loss and take profit levels or market entry levels. Actually, I had some requests from my followers and friends, so I'll try to do that for you guys. So again, when you are doing analysis on stock or on some currency pair or other instrument, always start from highest, longest time frame. Maybe you don't need to do it daily basis, because once you draw a correct trend line on a monthly time frame, actually you don't need to do it every day because it's very long term, but you need to sometimes check, and when it crossed, this trend line will cross, you need to correct or delay it. Okay, so every time from my students, I have the traders. I'm doing forex for more than 12 years, and I had a lot of students, a lot of successful traders. One of the common questions are which time frame I need to use. Guys, there is no one ideal time frame. You need to use all time frames. Not the same time, of course, if you don't have a fancy set around, but you need to check them in daily basis. You need to switch time frames. You need to try and find new risks, new opportunities in different time frames, because if you are trading on 1 hour time frame 24 hours a day, maybe there will be some important information on 4 hours chart or even 5 minutes chart, and you will miss it. Okay, because there is a lot of stuff going on different time frames which you cannot see. And you will lose a lot of opportunities, and also it can be the reason of your lose. So let's get started. Trend lines. Now this is a pure chart without anything. This is monthly time frame, and I see here the downtrend. Okay, we can analyze the downtrend. And always you need to start from the beginning of the trend, from the beginning, and you must not miss any peaks. Okay, the highest level, highest price we have here, it was 2008, of course, and then we have a downtrend, and you see I'm drawing trend line. And I need to touch the peaks, but I cannot cross them. Okay, I cannot cross, for example, this target. I need to touch the highest prices and then leave. The same I will do here. Okay, here. So I'm drawing these time frames because they can give me some information in the future and also for current time. But if I will draw, for example, this time this trend line, this also makes sense, because at first this trend line is very correct. I have 3 very important long-term touches. There is some kind of parallel lines. So this is also some information of the downtrend of the euro. So definitely I cannot use it today. I cannot make decision based on these trend lines, these long-term trend lines. But guys, believe me, in the future, during trading, when somehow in next month price will get there, you will know the importance of that lines, okay? And they will save you, and they will give you very, very good information and opportunity for trading. Okay, now let's switch to weekly time frame. Here we go. On weekly chart, I have some kind of a maybe brilliant, if you know this this pattern. I see the very, very careful triangle here, you know, the rising triangle. Also, I think I have another very crucial prices, here. I think this trend line will also gave me some information. I will draw another trend line also here. Okay, yeah, now I have some information. Then I will switch to daily chart. Yeah, actually daily, I think it will be same 4 hours chart. If I will zoom out, yeah, it's almost same. So this is a very crucial moment, and this is the perfect example how important are to use trend lines, but use it in the right way. So again, another one principle of using the trend lines, you need to draw it at the peaks. You need to touch the peaks of the waves, but also always, that's a common mistake, that sometimes people are drawing upside down from left to right, from right to left. No, there is only one principle of drawing a trend line from left to the right, okay? There is no other way, from left to the right, through the trend and through the peaks, okay? That's the main principle of drawing a trend line in a right way, and in this case the trend line will give you right information and how professionals are using trend lines. So now I'm drawing from left to right, okay? Also from left to right for this downtrend. And you see, voila, now you have perfect opportunity for euro US dollar. Okay, we have a pattern triangular. I will write down the touches. I have 1 point. I have another one here. This is my second touch. Okay. Let me change the text. We have another third touch, and we have fourth. Here is the fourth, and here will be, guys, fifth. Okay. Now it's very, very sensitive, fundamental situation goes around. I mean, the coronavirus, the Eurogroup issues, the Trump issues, and a lot of stuff. But trend you cannot predict trend only based on technical analysis. Okay. Later, maybe in later videos, I will give you some information how to mix technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and also sentiment analysis. But now I'm just talking about trend lines. Okay, usually on fifth touch, price must cross here the trend line, and this will give us great opportunity to buy. But I need to wait, because fundamentally there is a lot of tension around. Okay, and I need to analyze fundamentals. Also, I need to analyze the Jerome Powell's speech today, so this also will have a huge impact. So, but anyway, I have a great triangular because I was drawing trend lines in a right way. Okay, now I switch to 1 hour chart, and this is my little bit shorter term stuff. What can I do here? Actually, I can also draw another trend line also in the right way, and I see if price will, I have opportunities here, okay? If price will cross this trend line was from 4 hours chart, I can buy. I can buy until whenever. That's another story, how to calculate the price, okay? But if price will not cross this and price will cross my 1 hour trend line, I can here, for example, somewhere here, I can sell until another trend line. So you can use trend lines also as a take profit and stop loss levels, okay? The patterns parendeo, you can Google it later, I can explain it by your request, is a great example for that, and I'm using Sperando very well. It's a very, very strong pattern. That's very simple. I just draw simple trend lines in a neutral chart, and I have got a lot of information, very good opportunities, and based on this I can make a very careful trading decisions, okay? But you need to know that only trend lines is not enough. You need to mix analysis, you need to use Fibonacci, you need to use trend lines, you need to use a lot of stuff, and the mix of this information which will you get during your analysis, this will give you very, very correct decisions for trading. So I think that's enough for today. You can also check my previous video about Fibonacci's, and please, I will be very happy to share my knowledge and experience. And if you have some questions, don't be shy, comment or text me directly and ask like any question about fundamentals, sentiment, stocks, bonds, or financial analysis. Mostly I'm trading with Forex because you know, the profit margin, if you are doing well your analysis and trading, profit margin is much higher. But of course some of my portfolio I have in stocks and bonds just for insurance. So you can ask anything about trading. I will be happy to answer. I will be happy to support. Cheers.